Today, I'm going to introduce you to the butterfly pea flower. Hello, my name is Amanda Bitkoskete, and this is Building My Veggie Garden. It is great to see you in our garden today. I'm going to introduce you to the butterfly pea flower. It's a beautiful plant and its benefits are amazing. It deserves to have a place in your garden. This is a vine that comes from Asia and is loved throughout many places in the world, but it grows just as well in a humid and hot state like Florida. This flower goes by a number of names as well: Asian pigeon wings, bluebell vine, blue pea, Kordofan pea, or the Darwin pea. Its scientific name is Clitoria ternatia, named after the island it was first discovered on, Ternate Island in Indonesia. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to refer to them as the butterfly pea, as their flowers tend to look like butterflies. There are a few reasons why you might want to grow this plant in your garden. This is a plant that doesn't suffer from severe diseases or blights and doesn't have as bad a pest problem as some other plants tend to have. And not only is it a beautiful addition to your garden, but the plant is edible. It can be used in your food. It can also be used in your food for livestock. It's rich in protein and makes a good cover crop, something that farmers in Queensland, Australia have been taking advantage of. Perhaps blue butterfly pea flower is most commonly consumed as tea for its health benefits and its nice blue color. The tea has a lot of health benefits, with one benefit being the unique color of this tea, which is made possible thanks to the unique anthocyanins, or simply pigments. This is also the added benefit of improving your health, especially your brain and heart. It is also caffeine-free and a natural food dye to add on top of all of that. You can add this to other foods to dye them blue as well. In Eurasia, it is a key component of traditional putugal, a steamed rice cake dessert. Growing the butterfly pea flower is easy. It grows all year round, so there are plenty of reasons to add this to your garden. This plant likes full sun and a good draining soil, so if you live in a colder climate, you'll want to wait until the last frost in order to plant it. You can start them in a separate container or plant them directly in the soil if you so wish. For the soil, this plant can actually fix the nitrogen inside, which makes it another great addition to a garden. It is a legume, and legumes can enrich the soil by converting abundant but usable atmospheric nitrogen into a plant-available form, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers and improving soil fertility for other plants in a symbiotic relationship with something called rhizobia bacteria. This saves you money as you won't need to buy fertilizers for them and their neighbors, as they can do a lot of the heavy lifting themselves. This natural process also adds organic matter to the soil as plant residue decomposes, further building soil health and creating a garden that is both sustainable for the environment, your wallet, and the ecosystem of your garden. As a vine, it takes little space. One can grow it along their fence if they so wish to. They also make for a good cover crop, allowing them to share the garden with no hassle. These plants take a while to start to flower, taking around 90 days to flower after they germinate. However, they make up for this by having an abundant and long-lasting bloom with their beautiful blue flowers. This bloom can also attract beneficial insects to your garden, so don't be too harsh on them for taking too much time. Depending on the climate, they can be annual or perennial. Here in Central Florida, they can be planted any time and work as a perennial, as the climate is similar to where it grows natively in Indonesia, so they quite like it here. They thrive best in zones 9 through 11, as they have no need to sleep when the sunshine is on them all day. If you live in a cooler region, so above zone 9, the butterfly pea flower should be treated just like an annual plant, as they will go dormant in the winter, but you must cover them to prevent their roots from freezing. They will come back to greet you again once the cold has passed them, so be sure to remember that they are not dead once the frost hits, merely sleeping. This is a beautiful plant and its benefits are amazing. It deserves to have a place in your garden. It will not only be beneficial for you, but to both the local insects and to other plants inside of your garden. As always, thank you for coming to our garden today. Tune in next time for when we'll show you in the next episode plenty of plants to put in your garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.